Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is cultural traditional art show which was in Ravindra Bharati on 3rd, 4th and 5th. Many artists had taken part in this art show, and here you can see the designer sarees painted by each artist. Those interested can contact me and they can buy these designer sarees. My details are in this video and below this video in description, and for more information on art, do see my website link in about in my channel. Anyone interested in buying any of these designer sarees can contact me. I will give you the contact number of the artist.
Hello everyone, I am Neha Jain, an artist by passion and profession. I have painted this pure handloom cotton sari for cultural walk art show in Gone painting style. Gone painting is a tribal art form of India which has received global acclaim. Vibrant colors, unique detailing and universal theme make Gone the perfect art form. The central theme of Gone painting is nature because they believe life of man and nature and all the living beings are interlinked. So in this sari, I depicted the same thing. Thank you.